Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go, Open Awards Functional Skills Maths Level 2, a sample assessment. So we're going to have a look at the non-calculator paper here. So I don't know how far we go down. So the non-calculator paper for this one is 30 minutes, and do you want to open the paper? Internet access not allowed, all the rest of the stuff. So you just need to know that it's non-calculator. So let's get down to the first question, section A, which is the non-calc, and let's have a nice colour today. Don't forget you can subscribe to the channel. I would like you to do so to help it grow. What's the total distance Jay walked over the whole week? So we've got to add all this lot up, have we? Yeah. Okay, so we got 1, 1.5, and 3/4, and a half, and a third, and a third, and 3/4. So 1.5. How can we do this? Let's make this, because I've got thirds and thirds. I can't. It's difficult to add this. So I'm going to make the 1.5 first of all to be 4/2. 4/2. And I'm going to bring all these down. This is a bit long-winded, this one, for first question. 3 and 1 and 3 and 3/4. Now I'm going to make them all the same, to make them all twelfths. So I'm going to make them all twelfths. So multiply by 6 is 24. Now I'm going to multiply by 3, which is 9. And now twelfths, so I go 6, multiply by 6. Twelfths multiply by 4, which is 4. And twelfths is 4. And twelfths is 3, is 9. So the answer is all going to be in twelfths. So I've got 24, 33, 39, 43, 47, 56. So I've got 56 twelfths. Now 4 twelfths are 48. So it's 4 twelfths of 48. And I've got 8 twelfths left over. I'm going to simplify that to be 4 6s 2/3. So my answer is going to be 4 2/3. That's a nasty one to start off with. Maybe you know, put these fractions in order size. Right. So order of size from smallest to biggest. 4/3. Only 1 mark. 3/4 is 0.75. I'm going to change them into decimals. 3/8 and 5/8 and 7/6. 6 is into 7. Go 1.1. 4/6 is into 4. Go 6. So that's 1.16. 8's into 5. Nothing. 0.8. 4 8's 32, 5 8's are 40, 6 8's are 48, 2/. 8's into 20, go 2, so 6.2. 8's into 3, nothing. 3 8's are 24, with 6 left over, and 5 8's are 56, so that's 0.35. Okay, and 3/4, 4/3 is 1.3 is 3. So from the smallest to the largest, we've got this one, 3/8. Okay, yeah, so that's that one. And 0.62, then 5/8. Yep, that's that one. And then 3/4, then 7/6, and 4/3. Oh, it's not easy, is it? Calculate that divided by 24. Are we sure this is a non-calculator paper? Seems very complicated. Let's do it. Non-calculator, yeah. Okay. Oof. 4/8 divided by 24. Okay, let's try and do it. Yeah. 273,696 divided by 24. 24s into 27 go 1 with 3 over. 24s into that go 1 with 6, 7, 8, 9 over. Now 24s into 96. Don't know that. Oh, it goes exactly. Yeah. 24, 48, and another 4 is 72, and another 24 is 96. So it goes into 4 times. 4 times, nothing, and 4. So 11404. Question 4. Calculate the surface area of a cube when the length of a side A is 15. The surface area is 6 times one side. So 6a squared. A squared equals 15 times 15. So 15 times 15 is 5 5s are 25. 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 2. 225. So that equals 225. So now we've got 6 times 225. Right, as we go down here. So 225 times 6. 6 5s are 30. 2 6s are 12 and 15. And 2 6s are 12, that's 13. So I get 1350 centimeters squared. Question 5. Right, Simon is redesigning his garden. He's drawn his garden on the diagram, there it is, where one square is 1,500 millimeters. Yeah. Use the grid, calculate the actual length of the garden in meters. Use the grid. Is that the grid? Don't see, didn't get any squares, so I didn't get any squares. Question 5. No. What grid? Help, is there a grid? Maybe it's an addition. Is there something else on this? End of section A. All I can see is that tiny little square there. Maybe this is supposed to be all thing, but it didn't come out. Let's make it bigger. Zoom. No, zoom. Okay, it's grid. I'm gonna have to guess here. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go 1, 2, 3. Looks like 5.5 wide. Let's have a look. Just 1 minute. 1 square is 15 minutes. I don't know how many squares that is wide, or even how many squares it is. I don't think that's anything to do with it. So I don't know where the grid is, people. So let's wipe that out, and I'll go through what they put. Oh, right. So 1 square is 15. So we've got to work out how many squares it is, yeah. So 1.5. Calculate the length. A valid method to calculate the length is 7.5 times 1500. Mark the correct length. The actual length of the garden in meters. So we've got to find that. And whatever the grid was, it's 7.5 squares. I have no idea where this is coming from because it has used the grid. So it's 7.5 times 1500 millimeters, and we're going to work it in meters. So it's 150 centimeters, and it's 1.5 meters. So we've got 7.5 times 1.5. Let's do that calculation. Times 1.5. 5 5s are 25, for 35 37, and 0 5 7, and that's 5 and 12 and 11, and we got two numbers after the points, so two numbers after the points, so we're going to get for question 5 I'm going to get 11.25 meters. Yeah, didn't know where the grid was, sorry about that, but a blank page, I can do them. Right, what's Simon up to? He's planning to build a patio. The patio will have 4 sides and he's drawn a sketch. Calculate the area. Now the area of a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is A plus B divided by 2 times the height. Now A and B refer to the top and bottom. So we've got 6 plus 6.6 plus 8.4 divided by 2 times 4. Now 6.6 plus 8.4 is 0, 1, 14, 15. So that equals 15. So this then becomes 15 divided by 2 times 4. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 times 4, which is 30. 30 meters squared. Right, for the foundation of the patio, Simon will use a dry mixture of sand and cement. Here we need 20 kilograms of mixture for each square. To make the mixture, he needs to mix sand and cement in the ratio of 5 to 1. How many 25 colored bags of cement will he need? He's going to need 20. Oh, don't forget we've got 30 meters squared, yeah, as the. So he's going to need 30 times 30 times 20, which equals 600 kilograms of mixture. So the mixture, 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we've got 600 Ks divided by 6 equals 100. So there's 100 kilograms per bit of the ratio. The cement is 1 times 100 kilograms equals 100. Now it comes in 25k bags, so 100 divided by 25 equals 4 bags. I think 4 bags. Let me check on that. 4 bags, I like that. End of section A. Oh, right, okay. No, don't do that on me. Don't do that on me. Section A. So let's go back to where we are. Section A is gone. Alright, so I'm back. I'll find out what button to press. Okay, so don't forget that's the level 2 non-calc. That was tricky that one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you along. Make a comment if you want me to do anything else for you. Thumbs up, say you've watched it, and there's links to more videos down below, so I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.